In order to create a zip file, first of all, you need to select out the files and folders that you want to include in a zip file. So to do that, you can click and drag and select out the files and folders right here. So I'm selecting out these files right here, and I'm pressing Ctrl to select these two files as well. So now in order to make a zip file out of this, you can go around over here onto the Share tab. And once you go around onto the Share tab, you can see zip is an option. So once you click on zip, what happens is that a zip file is created, as you can see, and now you can rename this. So I'm just going to go around and say a new zipped file right here, just like this. And now what you can do is you can simply double click, and you can see that the zip file has all of the selected contents right here. Another way that you can create a zip file is by selecting out the content. And what you can also do is you can select out the zip files as well and keep them within a zip file. So you can go around over here, right click, and over here you will have an option to create a zip file, create a compressed file, or you can see the send to option right here, which you can go to and then select out compressed zip folder. So once you click on this, what happens is that a zip file is created, as you can see right here, and you can rename it to whatever you like. So I'm just going to rename this to example right here. And then within this zip file, there are other zip files over here as well, as you can see, that you can access out. So that is how you can create out a zip file from Microsoft Windows 11 File Explorer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.